Lamont's Outdoors Adventures. Today we're just gonna go down through nature trails and stuff like that. Just out of my curiosity, I want you guys to leave a comment down below. Do you guys like the nature walks and me going down creeks, or do you more prefer the abandoned building stuff? Just leave a comment down below. I surely would appreciate it. But today we're going this way. Ooh, before I forget, before I even start this adventure, please smash that like button and please subscribe to my channel. Oh, and before I forget, tonight I'm gonna put this video out. Then I'm gonna make another video out tonight. I am going back to the World War II military hospital. Well, those treating soldiers, back in World War I and World War II. So if you guys like the abandoned buildings videos and stuff like that, please stay tuned for tonight. Tonight's gonna be awesome. But right now, I know last night's video was pretty lame, but that was pretty much a video telling you guys a heads up. If you're talking to me on Messenger or something like that, it's not me. So, thank you guys. There's only 11 reviews on that one. At least some people got to watch it, and it's already, I think it's probably about 8:30, 9 o'clock now, and it is muggy as hell out here. But anyhow, we're just gonna go to the back part. You can get to the creek through this way, and this is the same area. It looks a little bit different because since they mowed it down, this is a county property. This goes to the main what do you call that, the water treatment plant in Thomasville. That's why you see a lot of these manholes. If you go that way, that's abandoned baseball field, and plus you can get to the abandoned school, which I already did a video of. It took me a couple of times to do a video there because every time I go there, my camera kept on messing up. So it's still messed up, tell you truthfully. Now it's worse since somebody hacked into my damn phone. I can't make phone calls, nothing. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna purchase me a new phone and just use this one just for recording for YouTube. I'll keep you guys updated on that one. See, that's the manholes I was telling you. They go all the way up and down this thing. Alright guys, let's keep on going. Like I was saying though, I'm trying to mix it up a little bit, do a lot more out in the wood things, that's why it's called Outdoors Adventure. And plus, I know everybody likes that abandoned building stuff, so that's why I'm trying to get a little bit of both. You know what I'm talking about? So be patient with me. I'm still trying to figure out, you know, what people like to watch more, and we'll start from there. I tell you one thing though, it's beautiful out here. Sometimes if you come out here early, you get to see deer running across, squirrel, fox, rabbit. That's before I started my YouTube channel. I came back out here. I seen three deer. Sorry, I haven't had my coffee yet. I just woke up, threw a hat on, and ran out the front door. I want to try to get this video in. I'm gonna try to get at least. I'm gonna try now to get 3 videos in. This one, the nature walk one. I might do of course, the World War II and the World War I abandoned military hospital. I'm going to do that tonight, but I want to do another video before tonight, because yesterday I did that little heads up video. I think that's all I did. Yeah, that's the only video I put on my channel. But not a lot of people like me, you know, walking up down the street and recording myself and stuff, you know. Hell, why watch that? I'm trying to make these videos for your entertainment, so I'm trying to put stuff out there. It's cool, you know, what people like, you know, what they, you know, would sit back and watch at nighttime. So I'm trying to, you know, work with me. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. It means a lot to me. I really want to let you guys know that. I mean, from the bottom of my heart. You know, ever since I started Kick-Ass Adventures, you know, I wanted to give up, you know, so many times, but I just kept on trucking along. When I had Kick-Ass Adventures, I only had 2 subscribers. Now I got 20. So, and that was 3 months ago. I got 20 subscribers in just 3 months. A lot more YouTubers, you know, they got, of course, way more than that in just 3 months, but to me, it doesn't matter. It means a lot to me, you know. I'm humble, you know. I thank God that I'm making stuff that people want to subscribe to my channel in the first place. But enough about me. But I just want to let you guys know I do appreciate you, you know, watching and hanging out with me. There's a bucket right over there. I want to see. I hate to see what the hell's in that bucket. Somebody probably came out here and shit in it. Oh, come on, man. Curiosity's gonna kill the damn cat. Oh. It's a fucking pot. Huh. There for a minute, I thought one of those guys that mowed that grass thought they had to run out here and take a crap or something. Well, I know, I fucking looked at it anyways, but I'm glad it's just a damn pan. Pot pan. Ah, shit, spiderweb. You gotta be shitting me. Here's the backside of the creek. I'm not gonna, I already did a video where I went down there. I got bugs all over me. All right. Like I said, you know, this is a nature walk video. If you guys like nature walks and stuff like that, like just, you know, nature, this is the video for you. But if you guys like the exploring videos, like abandoned buildings, you guys are gonna have to watch that later on this evening. Better yet, just watch both, please. Sorry about the camera. Man, I ain't going through there. I'm not gonna do it. If you guys want me to go up that trail, you guys are gonna have to smash that like button like a million times. I done destroyed 5 pairs of shoes. I gotta go get my other Adidas out of the storage there. I destroyed my other Adidases last time I did that creek walk. And I encourage you guys, watch my other videos, you know, my kick-ass adventure videos. I got a lot of Lamont Outdoors videos. Lamont's Outdoors Adventures videos, I'm sorry. Check those out, man. I encourage you, you know. I do go into a lot of spooky, you know, places. I go to abandoned graveyards. If you guys are into, you know, abandoned stuff. See, I'm already sweating my ass off. I got spider webs all over me. I know I'm wobbling the camera around. You guys are gonna have to hang on 1 minute and get me a sip of water. I am back. I'm sorry guys, I had to get me a sip of water. Been trucking up and down these trails for a little bit. Got spider webs all over me. Alright, I wanted to be quiet there for a little bit just to show you. Yeah, you might hear like a tractor way off in the distance or something, but just coming out here, hanging out with nature, man, it's pretty cool. It's like meditation, you know. It might be that guy just mowed this. Might be him. Hear it? He might be coming back to lock that gate up front. Let's see if I can get out of here before he gets here. It doesn't say no trespassing or nothing like that, but come on, really? They don't have that motherfucker locked for... The hell? Look at this shit. Don't that look like somebody's here? It is somebody's here. What the hell? Look like someone got their shit and snatched right the fuck out. No, I ain't gonna tell you what kind of hair that looks like. Damn. I'll give you guys $5 to touch it. Because I don't think that's the same hair that's on top of your head, if you guys know what I'm talking about. I don't think, no, that ain't human head hair. I ain't gonna say it, you know, out bluntly, especially not on YouTube. I know I cuss a lot, but I don't think you're allowed to talk about shit like that. Alright guys, if you guys are into that nature walk, like I keep on saying, this is the video for you. I'm going to start heading back up. I'm going to upload this for you guys to have something to watch while I get ready to go to another area. No, it ain't going to be another nature walk or nothing like that. You have to stay tuned, wait for my next video. It's going to be another one before I go tonight to the World War II and World War I abandoned hospital. But it was good hanging out with you guys, you know. Come on, really? More spider webs? You guys seen that, didn't you? That sucker did land right in my eyeball. Yeah, that's that guy coming back. I can hear him right over here now. I guess I'm glad I'm leaving this area. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I got more videos coming up, better videos. Like I say, I'm trying to switch it up a little bit, do some abandoned buildings and some, you know, nature, you know, exploring through the nature, the woods. Alright, we're right here at the entrance. Smell a skunk. Alright guys, right here's, hang on, they might have a no trespassing, well I'd be bullshitting. Yeah, oh no, do not enter. To me that's not no trespassing. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go home, drink some coffee, upload you guys on my channel where you guys can watch this while I get ready to do another. I don't know, you see that? I know I've been down there before, but they mowed it out. You can only go so far because, I mean, the grass was so damn high. I know I keep on trying to let you guys go, but I get sidetracked. Yes, I got, you know, attention and deficit and stuff like that. I get sidetracked pretty easy. My bad. But here we go again. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe to my channel. I got bigger and better things coming up. And you guys stay safe today, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.